Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 FE screen won't turn on. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all restart your mobile. So to restart your mobile, swipe down and open Control Center, and from here click on this restart icon. Now here click on restart to restart your mobile, and after restarting open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and open general management. And in general management, click on reset. Now here in reset, scroll down and click on reset all settings. Now again click on reset settings to confirm. And then enter your lock screen passcode.